Nestled in an exclusive and tranquil location, and only moments to village shops and rail, 13 Baldwin Street is one of Gordon's best kept secrets. Come take a look. Blessed with an amazing vista across the rainforest reserve to the rear, this unique home makes the most of its idyllic setting. Floor-to-ceiling windows capture the abundant natural light and views. Versatile accommodation is provided through numerous separate living areas and a bullnose covered deck with seamless indoor-outdoor flow. It is ideal for entertaining and overlooks the enclosed rear garden and level lawn. A beautifully designed kitchen is cleverly positioned to bring the family together, but what I love most about this property is the distinct and totally private living zones and the oversized home office with natural light and glorious vistas. A truly unique home with loads of potential. Located in a sought-after East Side location and a stroll to Gordon East Public School, this is a wonderful opportunity if you're looking to secure your own tranquil family retreat. This is a truly fascinating property with so much on offer and is perfect for the family.